YouTube, we got a food review for you cool cobras. Dietz and Watson, London broiled roast beef and cheddar wraps. Now, Dietz and Watson makes really good cheese. And they also make delicious wraps, too, by the looks of it. The tabs off this motherfucker. Let's open it up. What do you think? Come in 2 serving slices. London beef roast. Well, it's a London broil roast beef and cheddar wrap. London broil roast beef and cheddar wrap. Looking pretty fresh. Let's have a go at it. I like the seasoning they put on it. The lettuce has a nice fresh crisp to it. You can get this at your local grocery stores. Dietz and Watson, London broil roast beef and cheddar wrap. You get it's one entire wrap chopped in half. And I love Dietz and Watson's cheeses. Their wraps are pretty good too. I got an Italian one I might review the next time. What do you cool cobras think? Would you eat that? Because I'm eating it.